Registering with a recruitment agency. Before we get started, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Looking for graduate jobs? Take a look at our website to find all the latest jobs at giveagradago.com. How to approach a recruitment agency. Firstly, research the recruitment agency. There are many recruitment agencies out there, and it's easy to click on the first one that appears in your Google search. Select an agency that specialises in the field you're looking to work in. These agencies will be able to help you find the right role and provide you with a career path based on your skills. Secondly, sign up for an agency with the right graduate jobs for you. Before you approach a recruitment agency, it's a good idea to look at what jobs they have available and have a look at their About Us page. If the agency looks suited to your interests and career goals, you'll be able to make a great first impression. Remember that no single agency will work for everyone, so it's worth doing your research. Make a good first impression with graduate recruiters. Remember that you'll want to stand out to recruiters when you get in touch. You should make sure you appear approachable, enthusiastic and professional when you're called a recruiter. Your phone manner is a huge factor in securing a role, so make sure you prepare for the opening phone call. How to sign up to a recruitment agency. Register to the recruitment agency's website. When you sign up with Give a Grad a Go, you can make a profile and specify what jobs you are looking for. Once you've signed up, a recruiter will contact you to have a friendly discussion about what you're looking for. Over 93% of our placed graduates completed a profile with us, so registering is definitely worth your time. Sign up for recruitment agency emails. Make sure that you sign up to job alert services agencies offer. You will be contacted frequently with jobs and industries that you're interested in. This means that you'll have the top pick of relevant jobs sent to you regularly alongside any other updates. Talk to recruiters in a professional manner. When speaking to a recruiter, it's important to speak to them appropriately and professionally. Building great relationships with your recruiters goes a long way in helping secure your ideal role. Always make sure your CV is up to date and looks professional before speaking to a recruiter. How to write a cover letter to a recruitment agency. Sending an engaging cover letter to a recruitment agency is a great first step. It can show the recruiter who you are and what you want in a quick, direct and professional manner. You should address your cover letter to the recruiter or hiring manager at the agency. For cover letter advice and examples, head to our graduate blog. How to email a recruitment agency. Sending the right email to a recruitment agency will help you to make a great initial impression. Here are some examples of engaging subject lines to help you start off. How many recruitment agencies should I register with? The answer to this is specific to your unique job search. Although you won't want to narrow your search too much, you also don't want to be overwhelmed by applications. Picking one or two recruitment agencies with a broad range of roles can help you to achieve this. How to use a recruitment agency. You should make sure you're utilising the recruitment service as much as possible. Registering with an agency but not communicating with the recruiter will not help you find your dream job. Engage with any emails and phone calls a recruiter may send to get the best out of the service. Always be honest about your experience when using recruitment agencies. Make sure you are providing the agency with the correct information about your work experience. Falsifying this information on your CV will make it hard for a recruiter to find you the right job. If you are worried about gaps in your employment history, ask a recruiter for advice. Be open-minded with graduate job roles. If a recruiter contacts you about a role, try to consider it and be as open-minded as you can. Try not to dismiss the role if it doesn't tick all of your boxes. Recruiters will send these opportunities if they think you are a great fit for the role based on your skills and experience. Finally, take every opportunity after joining a recruitment agency. Attending the interview can help you to find out more about what the role involves. If the role is not right for you, going to the interview can give you some experience for the next role you apply for. Agencies will send you roles if they believe it could be a good opportunity for you. If you're certain that a role really isn't for you, then keep looking for alternative opportunities. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For graduate jobs and more career advice, go to giveagradago.com.